Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Python. So in the previous video you had seen that we had wrote a program to find all the even and odd numbers from the list. So in this video we are going to write a program to find the positive and negative numbers from the list. So first of all, I am giving here list that is 1 2 3 4 -5 7 -8, and then after I am using a for loop I in list. This line means that for each item in a list, the number of a list are greater than or equal to 0, then print the number. As we know that all the positive numbers are greater than 0 and all the negative numbers are less than 0, which are minus number having minus sign. So let's run this. This will give us the all the positive numbers, which are 1 4 7. And then after we are going to find all the negative numbers from the list. For that I am just changing a greater than sign into a smaller than sign, which will give us all the negative numbers from the list. So when I run this gives the output -1 -5 and -8, which are all the negative numbers. So thanks for watching this. I will meet you in the next video. So if you want to practice Python questions daily, so please join our Telegram group. The link is in description. Thank you.